All right, can you see the proof? So it's legit. 15,000 in 24 hours. Look at proofs now from my students, from me. Look at proofs. Go to the description button, click on that link, and watch the video to the end. This one they call win big. Please don't forget, win big. Please don't click on all this use now. The first thing you'll do to get that 15,000, click on this win big. Click on that win big. Once you click on the win big, click on the win big. Once you click on it, you allow it to load. So you will see something like win big. Let me just see it. Win big, congratulations. Win big, congratulations. You will receive cash. So what you just need to do now, you see I have another 14,982.34. Close to 15,000. So go and do this to get your own 15,000 in just 24 hours. Oh my God. So all you just need to do is come here and click invite. Come here now and click invite and earn. Please follow the steps. No sapa. Then you click on invite and earn. Once click on invite and earn, you see this invite friends to get 15,000. Just as simple as ABC. What do? You share your link. After she can put it on your WhatsApp status, like mine, I put my own on WhatsApp status. Put you on WhatsApp status, get my first 15K. It was my WhatsApp status. Put on your WhatsApp status. The next thing, invitee complete a transaction. Always tell them after inviting. Once you invite, so wait to get that 15,000 to get to this level. Once you click on that link and you register, the first thing you will do, once you click on it, then you need to make a transaction. You go and deposit 200 naira to the bank account. Remember, your bank account is your phone number. You just remove the first 0. That's your phone number. So you click on it and register your and deposit to that your bank account. Then once you deposit 200 naira only, you will also go ahead and withdraw back your 200 naira. So you have nothing to lose. You withdraw back the 200 naira. Once you get that, boom, you're done. Then you can now come to this place to get your own 15,000 naira. Please don't forget these steps. Very, very important. So when you finish, come and write on the comment section, Jenny, see you, I have received my 15,000. I want to be seeing it on this comment section. This year we must make the money. So remember, you come over here and click on invite now. Please don't forget that. Click on invite now. Click on this invite now. You can also copy your invitation code. You can just invite now to your WhatsApp anywhere and you're good to go. And that's not only it, guys. You can also copy your invitation code in case you don't want to do that. You can also copy your invitation code. Once you click on this place, automatically it copy successful. So that's another thing. Then the next one, let me show other ways again you can make money. Let me show you other ways you can make money on this app. It's super amazing. So after getting your 15,000, the next thing you come here. Every day you make money on this app. See this place you see use now, you make money. Use now. You see that you refer again, you earn 1 for use now. See another way you can make money. Giveaway tracker, 8,000 naira. See another way you can make money. I'm showing you. Look at this one, 200k trial cash. 200k trial cash, 200k trial cash, 200k, and that way you can make money again. You see this? So many way. Every day you come up here, you earn cool cash. Every day you come up here, you earn cool cash. So I don't want this video to be too long, and you will see my WhatsApp link where my millionaires are joining. Click on that link and join our group. All right, guys. No problem. Go ahead and do that and cash out of 15,000 and earn every day. And write in the comment section, Jenny CEO, I've done that. I've received mine. All right, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Cannot meet up with the 15,000. Please, I will advise you do. You can see another one. You see something. You do the 1 own. 15,000, you need to refer 7 persons. All right, but if you don't have strength for that, for you to lose everything, you start with this one now. When somebody use your link, you automatically get 1 4. So just that the 15,000 naira one is very massive. So I did that and I cashed out for 2 days. That is 30,000. So you do this, use now. This one now, if you click on this one now, use now, it has a different link. Thank you. So you see this, when you refer 2 persons, you get 2 4. All right, when you refer 4 persons, you get 5,000. When you refer 6 persons, you get 8,000 naira. Very easy. So the links are different. So what you just need to do is click on this invite now. All right, click on this invite now. When you click on it, your link will come out. All right, you can also click on copy link over here, or you send to your WhatsApp, then you send to your friends. And the beautiful thing about these things, once you send it to your friends and your friends sign up, automatically they get 1,000 naira bonus. This is amazing. You get the money, they get the money. So, but the 15,000, now your invitees will be here. Actually, I did not use this one, so that's why I did not send any invites here. Your invitees will be here, so you will know people that really sign up for it, so they don't lie. So now you have steps. You share the link, invite your register to get reward, then get cash reward after invite finish tax. So please don't forget to let them do the tax. Once they sign up with your link, the next thing they need to do is to they should deposit 200 naira to their own PalmPay account. When they deposit 200 naira to their PalmPay account, they will also withdraw it back to their own bank account. That shows they've done the tax. That's when PalmPay can also pay you. And note that the account number of PalmPay is that same phone number, just that you remove the first digit, that is 0. So it's simple and amazing. Now